Hello fellow lockpickers and happy Stocklock Sunday. Today in the vise we have a little Dom 2-star Euro. What's it say on there? An SKG. I need to clean my glasses. So, alright, I've already got a turn on the core. That was right at the back. Now my pick stuck, so I don't really want to be losing where I've got to. So let's drop that out. And carry on. A bit of counter here on one. Nice little spool. Can't get the pick in there. So let's try one of Das Evers. Got a nice little short hook on that. Can't tell that counter rotation is coming from pin 2 or I'll have a go on one, but I think I'll just overset. There we go. Cool little Dom lock. So yeah. So while we're here, we might as well have a gut in and see what pins we got in here for a standard. So I haven't got a key, so I want to be nice and careful. Pop a shim in there. So it'd be nice to turn this into a challenge look, so we might as well gut it and see what goodies we've got in here. So you all need to be picked. No security mods to the core, and standard in 1, 2, modification in 3 and 4. So yeah, 3 and 4 we got like the torpedo key pins. Yeah, that's enough and done it there. And up top, what we got up top then? Oh, focus. There we go. They're a real cool, sort of like, well, let me get them all out and then we'll move the camera in a bit closer. That'll be the easiest. So you can just about see. It's like a dumbbell, but with a reduced diameter on each end. Oh. Yeah, pretty cool pins for a stock lock. Standard in 3. I'm guessing it's going to be standard in 4 because of the key pins Yep, another standard. And lastly, another standard. Yeah, pretty cool pins. I'm actually quite impressed with that. And I highly doubt there's anything done up there. Right, let's see if we can zoom in a bit. Let's take these off. A bit easier. You can see, looks like that middle pin might be an anti-drill. I could be wrong, but yeah, let me check out these pins. Pretty funky. Let's say they are these ones. Pretty cool, like little spools, but like a T-pin at the same time. You can say you got like a little torpedo-y missile. But yeah, whoop, and he chucked it on the floor. Funky, funky pins for a cool stock lock. Anyway, cheers for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.